Hello everyone, I am Lakshmikant Kapgate. Dear friends, in this video I will be focusing on Google Docs and its feature. Google Docs is a word processor offered by Google within the Google Drive. The web application is also available in your smartphone if you go to Google Play Store, and if you click and search in that Play Store you will find the application of Google Docs. This application allows users to create and edit files online. Document can be shared, opened and edited by multiple users simultaneously, and users can see the changes as others collaborators make edits. All the changes are automatically saved in Google Drive, and this application is available in I think more than 100 languages. So let's see and enjoy the feature of Google Docs. So I search Google Docs, you can see the website. So go to Google Docs. There are predefined templates where you can create your resume or resume. Later you can write proposal. You can use these templates to create your documents, and these are the predefined sample material are available, or samples are available here. I want to create the fresh one, so let me click on fresh blank button, or the blank page is ready for my use. Now see my dear friends, this page is like Word document or Microsoft Word, where you can find the file, edit, view, insert, format. Various options are same as we find in the Microsoft Word. So let me type something. Before this, let me copy this in my fresh page so you will understand. Now see, my 2 paragraphs are ready to use. This is automatically saved in Google Drive. There is no need to save, because save as or save button is not available in Google Drive. You can see in the file option. So this page or this file I can directly share with my colleague when I go to file option, and on the top you can see the share option. If I click on share, you can see I can share this document with my colleagues. For example, I have shared, so simultaneously me and the other collaborators work on the same page. They can add, they can edit, they can remove, or they can elaborate. They can do everything on the same page because the link has been sent, or this Google form is available in this form. Now see, the second feature is you can convert this Word document into various forms. For example, if I go to download section, I can convert into Microsoft Word, or if I can get the copy or PDF copy immediately. So let me get the PDF copy of this file. So I click on PDF document. Within second your PDF file is ready. See, so this is the PDF file is available. So this is again very important feature about Google Docs. Then my dear friends, if you go in the file section, you can email this document as an attachment to someone, so he can see, he can edit, he can work, he can design, or he can add more materials or more options in this page. Then you can rename this page. For example, the title is free verse. I can rename it from this. For example, my title will be notes. So easily I have edited this section. You can move this document to another section, where in my Google Drive there are various folders, so I can add this page to separate folder. So this facility you can enjoy. So then go to insert option. Suppose in this page, if you want to add some images from the device, from the Google browser, from the Google Play Store, Google Photos, or from your other options. So let me see. In insert image, I can upload from my computer, search on web. So let me search on web. So easily I can search, the search option is available. So let me search the photo of Shakespeare. Now see, easily when I click on this photo and drag in my page, so this image is automatically copied or pasted on my page. So you can format like this, you can resize it as I did. So this is again very important feature. When you go to format option, then you go to tools, you can check the spellings, you can show the suggestions, or in this Google Docs these facilities are available, or these features are available, so you can use it. Then you can count the words like Microsoft Word. Then you can explore. The very important option I like this, the dictionary is attached with this. I can search the meaning of any word immediately on the web. For example, the monologue, the word monologue, suppose I get confused, and if I want to find out the meaning or the definition, you can see immediately I can search online. So this is again very important thing we can see in Google Docs. Then we can go to tool again. Suppose this document is available in English language, and if I want to get this document in Marathi language, in Hindi language, in Gujarati, in Malayalam, any language you can. So you go to translate document, choose the language. For example, I want this in Marathi, so I can convert in Marathi and click on translate. Because many faculties or many teachers, students face various problems how to translate the document which is available in English, so you can use this Google Docs to translate your documents or your pages in this option. So see, I have translate within few minutes or few seconds. So you can use this feature also. Then my dear friends, you can go to add-on section, where now see, for example, I want to create a test, and this is the format I have designed. These are the questions, multiple choice questions, blank space, filling the blanks, like this, and I have set like this as we set in the Google form. Now see how to convert Google Docs into Google form. We will see. Go to add-on section, you select the get add-on, another window where we can see the application, search form builder, click on that. Now see, form builder for docs is available, click on that. I have already installed in my Google Drive, that is why it is says uninstall. If you are going to install for the first time, so you can the options will be install. So after installation, you just click this or close this window. Again you go to add-on section, then see, as I have already installed, it shows the form builder for docs. Click on start. In the right corner you will see another page or another window where you can see the options. Okay, something is wrong, let me do it again. Now see, okay, let me refresh the page and go to add-on section. Okay, I need to install once again. Let me do the same process so you will understand. Might be I have lost the connection. You just wait. Now see, as I have searched, you can see the add-on option in our page. Sorry for the inconvenience, because okay, let's go to and use it again. So in this form builder, two options will be there, where you can see full document. If you want to convert the full document to Google Form, you can click the first one, and if you want to select some sections or options or some material, you select like this and click on selected content and click on get. Now see, due to artificial intelligence, this Google Form immediately identifies that what kind of question is there. So suppose the first question is your name, so this is short answer question. Suppose there is a question multiple choice of question, so now see, this question is multiple choice of question. So this is very important feature is available with Google Docs. Now I want to create the fresh one. Now see, I can give the title to my Google Form. For example, this is a quiz, and click on mark, or you just click on this and import selected. So as you click on import selected, you will get the imported message, imported successfully. You will see here. Now see, imported successfully, and just beside that there is one blue option which says open form. Let me open this. Now see, my Google Form is ready without any hesitation. So without wasting time, you can use Google Docs and Google Form simultaneously. So like this, see, all these questions are ready to use, or I can send this page to someone as a quiz. So this is how you can use this, as this is how you can enjoy the facility and the features available with Google Docs. So my dear friends, I hope that you like this features and Google Docs you can start using, and if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.